recommendation of our task force commander in front of us to erase, meaning everyone, that was his specific order, that he okay with it, provided it would be clean.
Sir, medyo matastas ito lang, ano ko, sir. When I was a fiscal, kukunti lang yung sweldo, and I got married. Asawa ko, got pregnant, nanganak ako. So, short yung income ko. Nagturo ako to augment my income sa Police Academy sa Davao City for about almost 7